This is our Lakshmi Tabletop Autoclave. This is a very compact and robust design, a rapid type tabletop autoclave. Rapid type autoclave means it can sterilize your medical appliances in just within 15 to 20 minutes of the time, because this is the technology, the boiler based technology, and a boiler built into the system that store the high mass of the steam to just inject steam when the process is started. And so I am explaining you about product today. This is the control system. This is customized Luxmade proprietary control system, which has the 8 built-in programs. Program 1, 121 degree, that has wrap, unwrap option. Program 2, 134 degrees Celsius, wrap, unwrap. Shift button means you can select the program. Shift means once you are interested to run the wrap program in program 2, just press shift button and then press wrap. It run the program number 4, means program 1, 2, 3 and 4. Once you are in the between the program, just escape button to stop the program immediately. This is a flash type, textile, leak and BND. Bowie Dick control, Bowie Dick test. So the 8 program built in autoclave system. This is a 4 key is available here. Enter, stop, stop, escape, up and down. This is the process indicator, LED indicator, to give you the live update on the process. Outer water inlet, water steam reservoir, boiler release, heating, sterilization. This gives you the when start injecting from the boiler to the chamber. This LED will indicate. Steam water reservoir, this is the heating system built into the boiler. So the boiler will go once you are running a process of 121 degrees Celsius. The boiler set value, default set value is the 126. So it gives you the sufficient steam energy to do the fast and quick sterilization. The air removal means it will start the vacuum system, solid rusted vacuum, to give you the drying cycle. And in the last of the process, when the process ends, this is the heat sterilizing process will be on and dry out your samples very quickly. This is the clean room. When the process is over, when process over, the fresh air will inlet from the HEPA filter. The HEPA filter is installed inside the machine, and that is the changeable one. And demand you can change the HEPA filter. This is about our control panels. And now I am coming on the front panels, where this is the COM port for computer. This is the printer. This is the UPS. So from here it's display the P. P means this is a printer mode. If you like to get the data on the computer, you just press this and this, hold the button, escape and up, escape and down. When you press the escape plus down, escape, escape plus down, it will go into the computer mode. Once you place the escape plus P, escape plus up, it will go into the printer mode. So the printer and computer mode will get changed through these key controls. These key controls. Now I am keeping at the printer mode now. So now I am coming to this, that wings type door available. Now you can just open the door. Here is our gasket, durable control system. Here is the SS tray. 3 tray we have. 1, 2, 3. Either you can just put in all tray inside. This is the complete SS body from inside. cannot take out the whole system because this is the one system. When we not need to take out all, you just put your sample here and then you just inject here. Put the sample and just slowly slide the tray. This is a completely SS 304. Our whole chamber is the SS 306. Handle SS 306. Now just close the door. And the next process is just you press any of the program. If I like to run the program number 7, means leak test, just press this directly. It will show the program number 7. Each program has their own built-in timing, just like this. I'm just showing on my computer. It is also the same sticker has been pasted. If you like to run the program number 8, just hold this button and press this. It will just start the holding. Now I'm just taking it out. The same system is also work for the boiler release system. Just like once the boiler in build up and temperature is beyond 90 degree, when you press the up and down button, instead of the taking water in, you start the boiler release system immediately. In the next video also I will show you the complete operation of this equipment because the operation is very long, so it takes some time to operate. Now I think clear from this side. Now I am coming to the back side of the equipment to show you how the back side work for our tabletop autoclave. As I explained you into the product, this is a fully automatic tabletop autoclave. So this is the one point where this is the automatic water inlet. You only put either you connect this point directly to the tap or use a DI or the RO water bottle that will drain out the water from here. This is the protection, MCB protection. The system has the protection for the MCB. Here is the power inlet. It is the single phase 2 kilowatt power. The peak power of this system is the 3 kilowatt. This is the emergency operation. Don't turn it, don't open when the boiler built up. So this is the manual operation. This is the cover fan to get chilled inside electronics and also solenoid systems. This is a very complex operation because this is a boiler and other electronics item involved into the whole machine, so it needs to be chilled out. This is safety valve, boiler safety valve. The system has the triple protection. First is the boiler, the pressure is read in our electronic system. Electronics gives you the complete protection. Second is the pressure switch. We are using the inside a pressure switch that will give you the safety of the boiler as well as the chamber. And also the additional 40 psi safety valve we have used for the boiler here. Once the pressure goes beyond the 40 psi, this will start injecting, so don't worry. This is just a safety valve, just like a normal as usual safety valve. This is safety valve for the sterilization chamber. So we have the two safety valve here, one for the boiler and second safety valve for sterilization. Here is the last, here is the outlet for the steam out. This is the steam out and this will go into your drain system. So this is all about our internal structures of the tabletop. This is our side. This is the laser cut to protect with the IP21 protection. So this also gives the complete electronics for their chilling system and also protect from the any kind of the water or the mosquito inlet inside the tabletop autoclave. This is side view. this sticker built in our whole autoclave. Whenever we are updating our software and the customer demand, we will place in left side view of the side equipment. It needs two water inlet, one this. Other than this, I will just again explaining you about this whole system. When you start any program, first the boiler will go 5 degree plus of your set value, then the injection will start. This is the timing and this is the program number. According to program number, you can select the time. This is the set value. The pressure will get displayed here and timing will get displayed here. So this is all about our system. And whenever you like to do some special kind of the changes into the system, you just do one thing. For the factory setting, you just do a setting from the back side, and for the factory setting, you just turn off the system from here, turn off the system from here, hold the program 2, and turn on the system. It will come into a process where you can set the drying time, offset value, pre-vacuum time and post-vacuum time. But I am not advising anybody to do the factory setting into the equipment. This is only to be done by luxury engineers whenever there is a service call from our customer. Because in most of the program, these parameters is already set. So don't do this type of the factory setting into the equipment. Just out and start using this product. Whenever you program press, this is program 5, it will start running. So this is just a one-touch control system. There is no need to place anything in the system, and you are not to do any setting out of the autoclave. This is just a plug and play system with whole control and data available into the system. This is completely designed for the application, and we have a model of the 22 liter and 30 liter. Normally we have a 30 liter tabletop autoclave into the stock. I will share a new video which gives you the complete functional outcome of the product, because sometimes the video is too long, so it cannot be get uploaded into the YouTube. So I will make a first separate video that will give you the complete operation of this system. Operation means this have a complete drying cycle. Means it can run first, inject the steam, then create the vacuum, and again inject the system, and again there's a 3 cycle for the pre-vacuum and 2 cycles for the post-vacuum. And also it gives you the complete idea about how it works. So this autoclave has the first cycle is the air removal, then heating, sterilization, exhaust and the drying. So this autoclave works on the 5 steps to gives you the perfect sterilization, and also have a 121 and 134 degree Celsius sterilization cycle that suits most of the application for wrap and unwrap applications. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video soon. Thank you.